Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to increase system text size without using third-party software in Windows 11 running computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows 11 operating system. So if you're using a Windows 10 or older Windows operating system, then these tricks might not work for you. So firstly, what you need to do is just open the settings, and now you will see here on the left side accessibility option. Just click on it, and now on the right side you can see the first option, text size. Just click on it. Now you will see here the text size. Now you can just slide it to increase. So let me set it to 150. Once you set it to 150, click on apply. Now you can see here the entire system text size. As you can see, even in the icons text also has increased. When everything has increased, right now you can see all have increased. Even in the bottom bar also the text has been increased, and even if you open any program also, and even you can see the text, even in the any other software or programs also the text will get increased, everything. So if you want to decrease it again, you can just swipe it towards the left and you can just click on apply. Now it will restore back to the default system text size. So by going to this option, you can easily increase system text size without using third-party software in Windows 11 running computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.